we have a model of steel structure. We need to model a steel structure and we need to design the steel structure frame. So this is our drawing, this is plan, and we have the different grids 1, 2, 3 in the x direction and A, B, C, D in the y direction, E. We have this much grids, 600, 600. This unit is in millimeter. Okay, so this unit is millimeter and we have grids of 600, 600 and 320. And in the x direction we have only uh, 3 grids and 2 spans. So in this we need to divide 13 0 8 6. Thirteen 0 8 7 divided by 2. This will be 6 point. We need to write this one. Okay, 6.2. Here I make some MS Word file for my data. Okay, grid X will be span each. Grid Y 6 comma 6 comma 6. How much grids we have? 3 2 3 3.2 3 point comma 3.2. Okay, this in meter. Okay, so we have two options. We can modify and make from the ETABS, but we can also take the make import. First we will arrange SI section steel database. Euro. Okay, steel code design ASI Euro code. Okay, now we have to model how many stories here. Ground floor, first floor. So this is third floor. Total how many stories? 4 stories. So third floor we have 4 stories. We have, let's suppose we will put this, you know, this is spacing along the x direction. So I will put the x direction spacing. So 6.5. Okay, not too much accuracy is required. Y direction I put 6 and no number of grids. Okay, this is all about the number of grids. So number of grids in x direction how much? 3. Number of grids in y direction how much? 3 plus 5. Okay, let me count again. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. So x direction put 6.5, put 6. Okay, x direction should be 1, y direction should be a. Okay, and here is, okay, let me change this one later, and grid only. Okay, 1 2 3 a b c d. So we need to change this sequence because my grid line is here, is E is here and A is upside. X direction is okay. Now I need to change this one, modify grid, grid, click here, go back, and you need to stop and check this how we can modify this one. Just modify and show grid system. Here you can see you can change from E, A from A, caps lock B, C, D, E. Okay. Now your this sequence is okay. But I need to change this one to into how much? From here you can put here 3.2. So I need to change it into 3.2. My span is here 3.2. Okay. Just click here and grid change, modify. Here you need to change 3.2. But here how can I change 3.2? Let me display grid spacing. Okay. So this should be 3.2 because this will be 3.2 and this will be become short. Okay. So okay. Okay. But you check that upside is 3.2. I need to from the lower side 3.2. Okay. So grid spacing 3. Yes. Here put you need to put 6 and in this space you need to put 3.2 because E and D you need to 3.2. Okay. Okay. Now this is almost we have done the spacing and number of stories. But at the roof we need to add one story more because there will be our uh, truss arrangements there. So we need to consider our truss arrangement and making slope on the roofs. So let me add one story here. Modify base story. Here need to add, copy and add story. Keep existing story height. Keep existing story height. Delete. Yes. Story height 3. This default. Okay. So I need to change this one into 1 meter. No, into, let me do this is equal to 0.5 meter. Number of it is story. Insert above the story 4. Exist from existing story 4. Okay. This is our top story. I just added because I make the roof arrangement and making truss arrangement on this roof. Okay. So let me start the definition define tab. I need to define the material. Add new material. United States, Europe, user, steel. Okay. Other standard grid steel. Okay. Steel and 23 kilonewton per meter. steel. Okay, this density of steel, so you can check this one. This is steel modulus of elasticity, Poisson ratio, and design property. Okay, you keep all these materials. Okay, or damping ratio keep as it's okay. Still you have defined. Now go and define sections, frame section. So I need to add import need to add new properties auto steel list. Okay, because I am doing steel analysis, so it will suits on the base of demand. It will be selected from this list. Control shift and add, and name it is I sections or W section. Okay, I sections steel. Okay, okay, and now I choose this. I consider is all story. From here I go and find I sections. Okay, first this will be for columns. So I just go and just I section. Just choose me and put me this section here. Okay, also just I put here. I put here. I put here. I put here. So just I go down. I choose one story. And select like this. Okay, and this will be their concrete floor. Okay, so no need to define any plinth beam or whatever. You can make a plinth beam here, but it will be concrete, so I will not include that concrete beam in the steel structure. Okay, I only steel to steel connection. I will just uh, prepare the model. So just go up. So okay, up and assign all these is no. Okay, this will be a beams. No, no. Now I need to change and select this quick draw beams. Okay, and select this will be one story. Just select and come up another story, come up and draw another story and okay, come up and draw only this beam and okay, we need to draw this is quick beam and draw beam. Okay, from this draw beam we have not selected the auto list from here. Just I will go Control Z and I will remove all the beams. I am at level of 0 Z0. Just I will come up elevation 1, draw quick beam. So we need to select this one, deselected. Here I need to put select. So now we need to draw the quick beams. Need change eye sections. Okay, frame. Okay. So quick draw beams. So for the length, no need. Just on the first floor, I will select up. We have these arrangements. Okay, so select from here eye sections auto list and just click here and click here, enter. Make sure that you are doing from auto. Again click. So select here. Braces, from braces you can draw the, so let's see and watch and learn. Okay, so you need to change the braces type. I need to change into V. Okay, okay, just I click here and click here, like here. So I draw the braces here. Okay, so we can draw the braces only on the outer side. The peripheries were the braces. So let me change, assign the fixed support here. Joint from the stems. So I will choose the fixed support. Okay, now it will come. Frame braces. So I need to show you the extrude way of the frames. Just apply. This is the extrude way of the frames. Now we need to define the slabs at these levels. First story, second story, third story, and fourth story. Okay. So third story, ground floor, ground floor, first floor, second story, third story, and fourth floor. So let me check the latest third floor. Okay. So this will be our third floor. So frames auto list I already defined. Now I need to change these. I need to define the slabs. I just go and define slab properties. Okay. So slab should be RCC slab. Just here and modify. Slab thickness is I will use 3400 psi. Slab 1 is okay. So thin shell thin is okay, and this slab I consider as 156. So actually my span is, so I consider as 156 inch, or I just consider it or 200 by, okay, 200 mm. Okay, and I need to draw my span, and just I will come out from the extrude view, check off and okay. So just I use the plan. I start from story 5. Okay, just I need to draw because this will be slant roof, so I just go and draw rectangular floor. Slab 1 is okay, just I select. We have defined the slant roof of RCC slab. Now we can use the quick draw slab because all are horizontal. No, we should go on the, just click here, elevation. We need to draw on this third story first. Quick story, select, come down, select, again come down and select. Now your slab almost completed. You need to check your opening for the stairs. So I have stair in the adjacent to C and D. From C and D, how much I will be there? C and D. So it will be 900 from the C to downward, and the length will be up to the mid one. Okay. So this staircase is up to the third story. So let me draw. This will be C, grid C. Okay. So grid C here I need 0.9 meter from here. So I just need to draw the opening, but we need to draw the opening, draw rectangular frame. Okay, just click here, opening, and now I am at first story. So from here, need to on the, so this is just like a dimension line. I need to draw opening now. Just click here, opening, and from this point, and how much the size of the staircase? Staircase is around 2.4. Okay, now for the modeling purpose, I just draw opening. Okay, now dimension is 2.4. Okay, 2.4 and 2.4. This opening for the staircase. Okay. So now almost my model is completed, and now I need to apply the loads on this model. Loads of different stores as per the drawing. Here we have the toilets and also the partition wall loads and some live loads, dead loads of the restaurants. So we will put the dead loads, live loads, and also some storage for the ground floors and also for the first floor. So PVC suspended ceiling storage, PVC like this. So we need to find the unit weight of these ceilings and put these loads on the slabs. Okay. So for today, thanks, and be connected.